Hi guys, I'm going to make this video for you to help follow the instructions for getting to the student lessons on Burlington English and a little bit of a look at what the homework is going to be tonight. So I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone. Some of you might be using the computer. If you are using the computer, it will be the same. You'll just go to the Burlington English website instead. And the exact same thing, it'll just be a little bit bigger because it will be on your computer. But if you're on your phone, which I recommend you put this on your phone so that if you have some free time, you can pull out your phone and practice your English. But you're going to go to the Burlington English app. So it's going to look like this. Choose that. Then you'll put in your username and password. I have already sent you your username and password. If you don't have it, let me know and I will send it to you. So you'll put in your username and your password. And then you'll log in. Now yours will be a little bit different because yours is the student and mine is the teacher. But you will have, before you get to this screen, as soon as you log in, there will be 3 different boxes and you will choose the one that says away from school. So it will say away from school and that will be the one you click and then you will get to this screen. So when you are on this screen with your different colored squares, you will have a few less than mine. This is again the teacher version, but you will choose the one that says courses. The one that says courses here. So we'll click on courses and we are using, you'll scroll down a little bit, we are using the Burlington Core High Beginners. So it's the orange one. So click on that one. And then you will find the tile that says student lessons. So you are doing a student lesson for homework. You're going to click on student lessons. And you're going to go down, you're in number 1, personal information, and then go down to number 4, where it says grammar, review of, and it's about simple present and present continuous. So click on number 4. Now up here at the top, you're going to see some numbers. So you'll see 1, 2, if you scroll, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then there are 10 activities all together. You can click the arrows to go scroll through them and start at the beginning. So start at number 1. So this is the screen for number 1. Just read through it. We have already looked at it a little bit. It'll be very similar to what we did in class. To go to the next one, you'll just click number 2. Okay. So for this one, you're reading the text and then completing the table. So just like we did in class, you have a number of verbs and you are choosing whether they happen usually or if they're happening today. So you're going to read this, the reading up here at top. If you want it to be bigger, you can hit this plus right here and it'll be bigger so you can read through it. Then you can make it smaller again. There you go. And then just drag and drop them in the right place. There we go. Once you're done with that, always check your answer. So always come down here and check and see if you got it right or not. Hit the next arrow. 3 and 4 are just the rules. Whoops. 3 and 4 are the rules that we saw earlier today. So read through these, look at the grammar form, but always remember what they mean. So the first one that says simple present, this one is about routines. So this is the type of grammar you're going to use if you're talking about something that happens on a regular schedule. So I meet friends every day. It's something that happens on a regular schedule. So I meet, you meet, he meets, she meets, we meet. And then don't meet, doesn't meet. So read through these, try them with different verbs so you can get used to the pattern, and then you don't have to think about it as much. But remember, these are used when you're talking about something that happens on a regular schedule. Then number 4 is talking about the continuous, where it's something that is happening right now. So I am making dinner right now. You are making. He is making. She is making. We are making. Okay, so practice reading through them. Try describing what you are doing right now. So read through them, try different verbs, get used to the pattern so you don't have to think about it as much. These are things that are happening right now. Okay, then go forward. There is some practice. For number 5, it's very similar to what we did in class. You're going to choose the correct one. Always check. So down here at the bottom, you see there's these arrows where you can go to the next one and then go to the next one. And when you've done them all, check your answers. Make sure you know whether you did it correctly or not. 6 is another very similar example where you are choosing is watching or are watching. Down here at the bottom, again, you see these, I don't know if you can see that actually. Move this. There we go. You can see these arrows. Go to number 2, number 3, and number 4. And then always, once you've answered them, check your answers. Number 7. You're going to, again, choose the correct form. I work or I am working. Go through it. Check your answers. Make sure you have all the answers right. You can always make the pictures bigger and look at the pictures better, and then make them smaller again. And then number 8. You're going to use the correct form of the verb. So you're going to figure out what the correct form is. Again, go through them all, check your answers at the end, and do as many of these activities as you can. You're just practicing using these forms and practicing them, getting used to the structure of them so that when we come into class on Wednesday, you have had a lot of practice doing this. Okay? Then you're going to read through these sentences. Choose 5 of them that are true for you. So I'm taking an English class this year. If that is true for you, you're going to click this button. And then you can listen to it.
I'm taking an English class this year.
That was very quiet, but you can turn it up. And then you can record yourself. So when you record yourself, you're going to click this button and it's going to flash. And you are going to say the sentence 1 time. So let me show you. I'm taking an English class this year. And then it will tell you that you've done it. So you're going to choose 5 of them, listen and record yourself. And then the last activity you're going to do is number 10, and it's just a review. Okay? And then you're going to correct the error. So what is wrong with each sentence? You're going to write the correct sentence. Make sure you go through all of them and check your answers. So all of this is in Burlington English. One more time to get there. When you log into Burlington English, you're going to go to Courses, then go to the Burlington Core High Beginner, go to Student Lessons, and number 1, Personal Information. So it might look like this when you log in. Might look like this. Go to number 1, personal information. Number 4, grammar. Number 4. Right? And then you'll go through all of the activities. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Otherwise, I will check your progress on Burlington English, and I will see you on Wednesday in class. All right. Bye, guys.